You did really well on that last one.
Okay.
Trust me, okay? Same idea, high control.
I think that was the best one so far.
Nice, nice
So the
smooth,
pressure's on.
nice smooth throttle.
Yeah.
Keep your throttle nice and smooth, the throttle is right.